What is going on, guys? Welcome to HomeCraft Cocktails, cocktails you can make from the comfort of your home. My name is Briss, and today we'll be going over the lemon drop. The lemon drop was created in the 1970s by a guy by the name of Norman J. Hobday, who was the owner of Henry Africa's, which was a fern bar in San Francisco that opened in 1969. Now, if you don't know what a fern bar is, don't worry, you're not alone. I didn't either. I definitely had to Google this. A fern bar essentially is and was a bar that had a lot of ferns and other plants decorated around the bar to kind of create a more lively feel to it. Now, with this drink having been created in the 1970s, this was during the time of the sexual revolution when single women were actually going out to the bars by themselves. Now, the motivation behind the creation of the drink was to attract more female customers with sweeter, more dessert type drinks. So as female customers flocked to the bar, male customers soon follow right after them.
Stand up! Stand up!
The drink was likely named after the lemon drop candy, which are sugar-coated, lemon-flavored hard candies. The most famous brand of these such candies being Lemonheads. Yes, those little yellow candies that your mom was sneaking to the movie theater when you were little. In 2006, Oprah Winfrey actually served Rachel Ray a lemon drop on her show.
Maybe a little tart. Let me taste it for you.
You go right ahead.
Okay, good.
Is it good? Can I?
Yeah, come on.
Yay!
Yay, that's it.
And with that moment, the cocktail will be forever cemented in pop culture. Now, with that brief history lesson out of the way, let's get down to actually making the drink. So first things first, you want to start by coating your glass with a sugar rim. You can do this by cutting into a lemon and running that around the length or the circumference, radius, whatever you call this, of the glass. And then you will just simply, I have a plate full of sugar here. Just a good, layer on the plate is fine. You just kind of turn it until you get a nice layer like that. And you want to tap it to get any excess sugar off of there. Almost similar to, sugar or salt coating the rim of a margarita glass. You want to make sure you do this first so that the sugar adheres to the glass. So you can just set that aside for now while you deal with everything else. So after coating the rim of your glass and setting it aside, then you want to start by adding your ingredients to your cocktail shaker. So we're going to start with 2 ounces of vodka. There are also other alternatives to this drink that call for citrus vodka. You can do that, but I'll be doing the more traditional, just straight regular vodka for this drink. Next, you want to do 1 ounce of simple syrup. And I just ordered a simple syrup bottle, so I won't have to use this jar come next video, so that'll be awesome. After simple syrup, then you want to do 1/2 ounce of triple sec. After that, then you want to do 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Once you have all your ingredients in your shaker, then you can go ahead and add the ice to your shaker. And then you just want to give it a shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. After shaking, then you'll want to strain into your cocktail glass. And lastly, you'll want to garnish with a lemon twist. Cut the frayed edges off. And you can also do a lemon wheel as well. Obviously, you can always do different garnishes. It just depends on how you're feeling that day. Twist that. And you can set it on the rim, or you can just drop it right into the drink. Up to you. But there you have a lemon drop. Now that we have our drink, let's give it a taste. Okay, so the lemon drop is a very good tasting drink. I think it gets a bad rep for being a girly drink, quote unquote, but it's actually very balanced. You have the sweetness from the sugar rim and also a tangy sourness from the lemon juice along with the triple sec. Very balanced drink, very beginner friendly. Now I will say, if you are someone who just does not like sweeter drinks, this may not be for you. I mean, it's not even that sweet if when made right, like how it was made here. You know, not to toot my own horn or anything, but a lot of the times drinks that are already sweet, if you order them at the wrong places, they'll make it even sweeter. So you kind of get this bad idea of how a drink is, when in actuality it's not even that sweet as you might think it is. But I would say try this if you've never tried a lemon drop before. Definitely do it at your own home, or do it at a very, a reputable bar, like an actual craft cocktail bar. Don't just order this at like some bullshit, dive bar or something where they're just gonna use artificial lemon juice and hella simple syrup and just way too sweet, to where it's just unenjoyable at that point. I will say this is also my first time using a sugar rim on my lemon drop. The recipe that I used to go off of never even mentioned a sugared rim. And then now that I was doing research on this drink, almost all the other sources call for a sugared rim glass. I think it's a nice touch. I'm not usually one to like sugared rims. If I ever get a margarita and they ask salt or sugar rim, I'll almost always say either salt or just, no powdered whatever rim at all. But yes, do give this drink a try if you can. It's only 4 ingredients: vodka, triple sec, lemon juice, and simple syrup. Very easy to make, very cheap to make, and who knows, it might actually end up being one of your favorite cocktails. So thank you guys for watching this week's episode, and I'll catch you next week for the next round. Peace.